Nice. Connect the 3-meter pin to the 20 times angled pin connector. Next, insert the B2 to the axle 4. Then, put the circle 1 to the axle 4 and insert the axle 4 to the 20 times angled pin connector. Can I see? Connect the 3-meter pin to the 2x4 L-shaped Technic beam. First, put the 3-meter pin to the 11-meter Technic beam. Next, push the 15-meter beam to the 11-meter beam. And put the 3-meter pin to the 15-meter beam. And then put the 11-meter beam to the center. And then put the 3-meter pin to the 11-meter beam and cover it with a 15-meter beam. Next, put the 3-meter pin to the 11-meter beam. Next, put one of the 15-meter beam to the 11-meter beam. Next, put the axle 4 to the circle 1. And then put the handle to the 15-meter beam. Next, put this axle 4 to the 15-meter beam. And then put this yellow one to the axle 4. And then put the 3-meter pin to the 15-meter beam. And put the trigger. Then cover it with the 15-meter beam, and at last put the yellow circle to the axle 4, and it's finished.